Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the system settings, and then we have to scroll down and localize the language and input section. Now let's tap on language at the top, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so simply find yours and tap on it. Let me pick Turkish. And as you can see, immediately the Turkish language, of course in my case Turkish, has been immediately applied to the menu, and from now on the whole system is displayed in this specific language. Let me show it to you again. Just tap on it, find the language, tap on it, and it will be immediately changed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.